Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will talk about more stylish and gorgeous collection of most demanding crochet cover designs, different ideas for you. Beautiful crochet cover designs, jar cover designs, bottle cover designs, beautiful cover ideas. You can see my ideas, you can enjoy my videos. Beautiful designs. So friends, how are you? I'm fine. I hope you shall enjoy the best condition of health. I am back again with the most stylish, most demanding collection of crochet cover designs. Every type of bottles covers, jar covers, different designing ideas. If you want to buy these very beautiful cover designs, then I will tell you some websites name like AliExpress, eBay.com, etsy.com and Amazon. You can easily made in home if you know crochet work. Very simple designs. Please friends, subscribe my channel and not forget to press the bell icon. By pressing the bell icon, you will get all the notifications of my channel and my latest uploading videos. In this way, you never miss my video in my collection. Friends, I always try to bring useful videos and useful content for you. So please don't forget to like my video and don't forget to share my video. And also give the feedback in the comment section about my collection. How was the video and how was the designs of beautiful and stylish crochet cover designs, crochet cover ideas. So friends, thanks for watching my video. See you again. Allah Hafiz.